As a new Jeeper, I was excited to make my Jeep unique to me. There are so many different ways you can do that with simple and easy changes. I'm going to share with you one of those simple ways. The shifter knobs. Today I'm going to attempt to take off my transfer case shifter knob and replace it with this transfer case shifter knob that I got for Christmas. Now the install was pretty simple. The counter's going, yep, okay. Okay, that's not working. It's supposed to pull just right off. So now I'm going to just pry a little bit. We're going to try using force again. I'm probably just not strong enough. It was removing those stock parts that can be kind of difficult. I really love mine. However, make sure you tighten that set screw. Or you'll end up like me on the trails, doing a quick knob job. Now, back to Jeep Mama in the studio. Thanks, Jeep Mama. If you want to see more on that Jeep Mama install video, check out the description below for a link. Now, the Drake shifter knob isn't the only one out there. What shifter knob do you run? Share yours with me, and I'll share it on Jeep Mama's Garage. Just tag me in one of these. My links are in the description below.